Hey fifth graders, you just learned what a hyperbole is. So I hope you enjoyed that video. It's not hyperbole, it's hyperbole. A hyperbole is an exaggeration. So we exaggerate to add a more dramatic feeling to words and what we're trying to convey, the message we're trying to give. People often exaggerate, like when you say, oh, it's so hot, it's like a zillion degrees out. Or, I'm so tired, I could just die. So it's not literal, right? These are figurative expressions to show that something is very exaggerated and to show that something is really a bit more dramatic than it probably is, but it adds emphasis, it adds an effect to our words, it makes things a little bit more exciting. We can think about how telenovela or a soap opera is very dramatic and there's a ton of hyperboles or ways that actors exaggerate. So in our text, in The Watsons Go to Birmingham, there are many hyperboles. So we're going to look at two for today's lesson. You're going to think about what it really means, what they're actually saying, and then draw a picture to show that. You can show the picture of the exaggeration or the hyperbole. Here's the first quote from the text on page 1. It was so cold that if you were stupid enough to go outside, your eyes would automatically blink 1,000 times all by themselves. So obviously the eyes are not going to blink automatically 1,000 times all by themselves, but this quote is showing just how cold it is. It is so cold that it makes you blink many times. So instead of saying many, they're saying 1,000 times. So now you try. Number 2, it was a zillion degrees below zero. What does this quote mean? What is it actually trying to say? Okay, so instead of what is it actually trying to say? Of course, this is much more dramatic, and it's an exaggeration. So again, write the meaning using the drawing tool and draw a picture of what this shows. Okay, that's what we're going to be looking for, fifth graders, and we are learning hyperboles, a type of figurative language.